Whilst changing my rear pads, I noticed just how filthy the underside of this truck was. Even though I spend far too much time cleaning the underside of this thing, this is just from driving on our lovely Welsh roads. So whilst I had some time, I thought I'd get underneath it and give it a good clean. So first of all, we're going to be using the salt exterminator from 4-wheel drive detail, connecting it to the Karcher, and we're just going to spray the underside of the car. This is predominantly made to be used with a snow foam lance, but I thought I'd give this a go. Ignore my dodgy tap. So here we go. This is probably the best thing I've bought in 2024. Again, Salt Exterminator is supposed to be used with a snow foam lance, but I just thought I'd give this a go, just to start getting all of this stuff off from underneath. It did the job, but we're going to do it properly as well. So just quick spray the arches, the chassis underneath, and underneath the boot floor, just to make sure we've covered everywhere. We're now going to leave it for the next 10 minutes, so it can do the job of lifting all the dirt off the chassis and the underside of the body. Once we finish spraying off all the salt exterminator, we're going to leave the chassis to dry for the afternoon, and we're going to come back and we're going to use another product which I am a massive fan of. So this is the chassis shield from 4-wheel drive detail, and you literally just spray this on. It doesn't really matter how it goes on. I've probably put far too much on, but here's the result. Peace of mind knowing that my 4-wheel drive is protected the next time I hit the tracks.